My nephew Dennis gave me a call and wanted to know if I thought we might be able to catch some bass out of the river. I told him it had been raining a lot and I wasn't sure what kind of shape the river would be in, but for him to come on up and we would check it out. He came up and brought with him his son and my great-nephew Hunter, and we went down to check the river out and found out that it was about 12 inches above normal and was rather murky. But sometimes that can be a good thing. It can actually make the bass feed better. So we decided to go anyway. And I'm glad we did, because we did indeed find some bass. First fish.
You got 5? Here, let me get the net. Let him break it off. He's gonna get off. Barely home.
Take your time with him. Don't hurry him, Dennis.
I know, he's barely home. He's gonna get off.
Good job.
Thank you, Frank. All right, buddy. Two of them. There's 2 of them right there, fighting for it. That's a good one. Look at him. You got two on, dummy. Get the net. I got the net. You got 2 fish on that thing. Jerry needs to get his camera out. If I get him in, you have to raise him up a little bit. Oh, one got off. Look at the walleye.
Yeah, it is. Get your net out there, Dennis. Get your net way down deep. Smallmouth.
Oh, small.
Take your time.
I got knocked him off. There you go.
Hold that one up, Dennis, so I can get a better look at him.
Yeah, I'll have to get a hold of it.
That was on your Zera, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
That? Get him here. Oh.
Take your time.
Look at that eagle. Oh, he's down the bottom.
Get the net, Hunter.
You don't net him? Well, you told me I didn't need him. He's a little better than I thought he was.
Not every day that you see a little bluegill caught on a bait like that.
Look, there's 4 of them following it.
How about that for a double?
There he is.
That one on a big spinner. Hold him up, Dennis. I missed him. Nice fish.
Looks bigger now. Just the water. Him and that net, Uncle Jerry.
One of the problems we had on this float was boat control. With so much water and with 3 of us in the boat, if we wanted to anchor, sometimes the anchor wouldn't hold. And oftentimes I had a difficult time getting the boat where I wanted it to make a good cast.
I got your line again, Jerry. Just foul hook.
Go real slow with him.
That's the biggest fish we caught all day. Oh yeah. I didn't have no choice on mine. What can I do for you? Anything? Take him off the hook. I'm hung up. Oh, I can't see him. There he is. There you go.
With that last bass that Hunter caught, we decided to call it a day because this is where the river turns into a lake and is still about 2.5 miles to where we had to take out. So we used the electric motor to motor our way back down to our takeout place.